हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आप सभी का मेरे चैनल फिजिक्स की क्लास में स्वागत है। आज हम न्यूक्लियाई चैप्टर से AIPMT 2012 एंड नीट 2013 के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए सर्टेन मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज चेंज्ड टू हीलियम बाय प्रोसेस ऑफ फ्यूजन। द मास डिफेक्ट इन द फ्यूजन रिएक्शन इज 0.02866 U. The energy liberated per nucleon is given 1 U is equal to 936 million electron volt. Option A 2.6 MeV, 26.7 MeV, 6.675 MeV and 13.35 MeV. Mass defect delta M is equal to 0.02866. Atomic mass unit. Total energy liberated delta M into 931 million electron volt. 0.02866 into 931 MeV. 0.2866 931 2866 958 4 9 7 25 6 4 2 8 6 2 6 1 2 3 4 5 26.68246 MeV. Nucleon in helium atom, number of proton, जो न्यूक्लियन होते हैं उनका नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन प्लस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन. This is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. तो एनर्जी लिबरेटेड पर न्यूक्लियन (26.68246) divided by 4. 4 6 6 7 0 6 MeV. This is 6.675 MeV. And option number C is correct. Next, if the nuclear radius of Al27 is 3.6 Fermi, the approximate nuclear radius of Cu64 in Fermi is 2.4, 1.2, 4.8 and 3.6. Radius R is equal to R0 a की power 1/3. For aluminum, R is equal to R0 aluminum 27 atomic mass number A. तो aluminum का atomic mass number 27/3. This comes to 3R0 and this is given as 3.6. So R0 is 3.6 divided by 3, 1.2 Fermi. For copper, R is equal to R0 into atomic mass number of copper. इसका 1/3. R0 is 1.2 into 4. This is 4.8 Fermi. तो जो Cu64 की रेडियस होगी that will be 4.8 Fermi. C is correct option. Next, a radioactive mixture contains two radioactive A1 and A2 with half-lives of 20 seconds and 10 seconds respectively. Initially, mixture has 40 gram of A1 and 160 gram of A2. The amount of two in the mixture will become equal after the time 60 seconds, 80 seconds, 20 seconds and 40 seconds. The remaining quantity N1 is equal to N1 divided by remaining quantity N1 at time after time t, and N0 is initial quantity, is equal to 1/2 time divided by half-life. This is the formula for A1. Number 1, N1 divided by initial 40 gram, 40 is equal to 1/2 t by time period is 20 seconds. For A2, N1 after time t, quantity of A1 and A2 is same. Initial quantity of this A2, this is for A1 and this is for A2. 1/2 t की power 10, time period is 10. Equation number 1, equation number 2, divide equation 2 by 1, divide equation 2 by equation 1. तो N1 by 160 divided by N1 divided by 40. is equal to 1 by 2 t by 10 divided by 1 by 2 k power t by 20. This comes 40 by 160 or 1 by 2 t by 10 minus t by 20. 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 20 LCM 2 minus 1 t. 1 by 2 का स्क्वायर is equal to 1 by 2 t by 20. पावर्स को अगर कंपैरिजन करें तो 2 is equal to t by 20. तो टाइम पीरियड इज 2 multiplied 20 is equal to 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, the quantity of A1 and A2 in the mixture becomes same. This D is correct option. Next, the half-life of a radioactive nucleus is 50 days. The time T2 minus T1 between the time T2 when 2/3 of it has decayed and the T1 when 1/3 has decayed is 30 days, 50 days, 60 days and 15 days. Suppose total counts, initial total counts, initially total count at t is equal to 0 is n0. Number after time t2, 2/3 has decayed. So decayed quantity two-third of n0 1 by 2 by 3 n0 remaining quantity n1 is equal to n0 minus 2/3 of n0. This comes to 1 by 3 n0. So n1 is equal to n0 1 by 2 t2 by time period. 1 by 3 n0 is equal to n0 1 by 2 t by time period is given as 50 days. T2, this is T2 time T2, T2, T2 by 50 और 1 by n0 से n0 क्रॉस हो गया 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 T2 by 50. Equation number 1. For time period, second, for time period T1, 1/3 has decayed. So decayed quantity is equal to 1/3 of n0. Remaining quantity n1 is equal to n0 minus 1 by 3 n0 is equal to 2 by 3 n0. 2/3 n0 will become n0 1/2 t1/t, n0 से n0 क्रॉस हो गया, 2/3 इज इक्वल टू 1/2, दिस इज t1। t1 1/2 t1/50। Equation number 2. Divide equation 1 by equation 2. Equation 1 1/3, 1/3 by 2/3 is equal to 1/2 t2/50 upon 1/2 t1/50. 1/2 is equal to 1/2 t2 minus t1/50। ये इसको 1 पावर्स का कंपैरिजन कर दें तो t2 माइनस t1 अपॉन 50 इज इक्वल टू 1 और t2 माइनस t1 इज इक्वल टू 50। जो t2 माइनस t1 विल बी 50 days। दिस बी इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन।